With so many superfoods out there, today we'll quickly highlight 5 of the best. Ever considered your body as a high-performance engine, and the foods you eat as the fuel that keeps it running smoothly? To perform at its peak, your body needs the best fuel. Nutrient-rich foods. So, what's the best fuel for your body's engine? Fruits and vegetables, of course. In an era of processed foods and sedentary lifestyles, we're facing an unprecedented health crisis. Modern diets, brimming with artificial sugars and unhealthy fats, have led to a disturbing rise in obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about quality of life. The energy we lack, the vitality we miss, all can be traced back to what's on our plates. It's time we rethink our diets and return to nature's bounty. Enter superfoods, nature's medicine, capable of boosting health and even reversing aging. They are the superheroes of the food world, each with their unique powers. First off, we have kale and spinach, the green giants. These leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses filled to the brim with vitamins A, C, and K. They're like the muscle cars of nutrition, fueling your body with high-octane antioxidants. Next up are the blueberries. Despite their small size, they pack a punch. They're rich in antioxidants and have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Think of them as the ninjas of the superfood world, silently fighting off harmful free radicals. The sweet potato, a tasty treat that's high in fiber and vitamins A and C, is like the best friend who always has your back, supporting your overall health. Then there's avocado, loaded with heart-healthy fats and fiber. It's the bodyguard of your cardiovascular system. Lastly, we have garlic, the healer, known for supporting heart health and combating illness. These superfoods are not just nutritious, they're delicious too. Incorporating these superfoods into your daily meals is easier than you think. Imagine sipping on a kale smoothie or munching on sweet potato fries. How about a blueberry pancake for breakfast or guacamole with your lunch? And let's not forget, adding a hint of garlic to your dinner can do wonders. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that will revitalize your body and enhance your health. It's time to fuel your body with the best. Start incorporating at least one superfood in your diet. Now I challenge you to take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. Try incorporating at least one superfood into your meals daily. Share this knowledge, inspire others. Remember, the path to health is indeed a delicious and rewarding one. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy.